Hey guys, this is Chris and Kai's cooking show. I am Chef Chris, and Chef Kai is not here. He is on an extended holiday with his grandma. So, what are you up to, Chef Chris? Well, I am hungry and gonna make a quick bite to eat. And I thought to myself, well, can you put eggs on top of tortillas and throw them in the microwave? Maybe. But that's not how we're gonna do it. Never tried it. You know, I'm a big fan of just throwing some tortillas with some cheese in the microwave and then some salsa on top. But I wanted to make some eggs. So we are scrambling up some eggs real quick. Maybe we'll go on super high. Let's get some cool smoke going in there. Just for that good flavor. I'm going liberal with this because it's just in the eggs. So, what tortillas are we using? Queso de Oro. These are kettle cooked fire roasted hatch chili. You get them at Walmart, they're cheap. If you're not careful, you will break a tooth on them. They are kettle cooked and they're tortilla chips. So, mix that together and you've got some crunch. They're super tasty though. Seasoning on these is awesome. I love a good hatch chili anything, honestly. So, what we're gonna do is throw some cheese on these bad boys. I'm just making something quick. So I've got Mexican cheddar jack. Out of all the craft cheeses, this is the best. Can't prove me wrong. Yeah, we're gonna pile on some cheese. Might have too many eggs here too. I mean, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to handle all this food I'm making, but who cares, right? We'll make it through. So, that's what your plate's gonna look like. We're just gonna put it in there for a minute in the microwave. Minute 30 just for good measure. I did put some Pam olive oil spray in here. It's just a non-stick pan. I'm not trying to use the new ones just to make some eggs and then have to spend a lot of time cooking it. So, doesn't take long to scramble eggs. You all know how to do that. I got 3 eggs in here. Like I said, I probably could have used 2. This might be the perfect amount. What are we doing tomorrow though? Chef Kai's not going to be here for our normal video. So I've got this fancy thing. I've got 2 of them actually. I don't need 2, but came with 2. This is called a smoke tube. I probably should check to see that I have enough pellets to throw in that bad boy, but you fill that bad boy up with pellets and you light it on fire and it makes smoke. So why would I need to do that? Well, basically, the whole point of a smoke tube is so you can make smoke without heat, right? I mean, it's still going to create some heat, but not a lot. I've got 4 or 5 things of cheese. I've got a 3-year-old cheddar, sharp cheddar. I've got a couple of fresh made mozzarella rinds that were stretched by the good people at the cheese shop. That's where I got the 3-year-old cheddar. And then I got a couple other from Hy-Vee because, no offense to the cheese shop, but I can't afford to spend that much. So, there's that. But we're going to smoke the cheese and hopefully not melt it. And we're going to learn how to do that. And then I've got a bunch of, I've got 3 different sausages we're going to try and smoke. We'll do those afterwards just because they can't smoke at such a high heat. So, alright, so cotija. We're just going to pile some of that on top. Now this is chilaquiles, is what they call it. This is not chilaquiles. It's like it. I do believe you want more. I can't even tell you how to make that. I'm not even gonna lie. This is just tortillas with eggs on top, but there is a dish called chilaquiles. which is very similar. They usually take the corn tortillas and they fry them up. Yeah, I'm not trying to do all that. Today is just about making a quick meal. So, salsa of choice, Tasty Tacos hot sauce. Nada es imposible. It's fire. I keep it in the house. A little pricey, but I'm just saying it's worth it. And if you're not eating at Tasty Tacos, you need to get up in there and get some. That stuff's pretty good. Going against my OCD and not using my normal Chris and Kat cooking show plates, but this is my normal plate, so here we go. Pretty tasty. Honestly, it's not bad. Would I make it again? Maybe. I don't know why. I like it with just the cheese too, so I was trying to find some meat to put on here, but decided just not to waste the money tonight, so tomorrow's meal is going to be a little pricier than I wanted to pay. So anyways, that's our video. I'm going to go enjoy this while I upload the video. Now I got stuff to do. So enjoy the rest of your long weekend if you have one. I'm Chris with Chris and Kat's Cooking Show. Don't forget to like and subscribe.